Hi there, Brian with Eastern Seaboard Models with a report on our HO Magor PCNF XIH Boxcar project. Preliminary tooling has been completed and test shots are en route to us for review. While we don't have anything to show you physically at this time, we do have factory photos of the test shots that we would like to share with you. We hope you enjoy them. The first set of photos shows the Magor variation of the model. Most of the main details are in place, but since these are the initial test shots, the finer, smaller details such as rivets are not yet in place. They'll be added once we sign off on these preliminary test shots. The second set of photos shows the Pacific Car and Foundry version of the model. Very similar in appearance, but you notice there are slight differences such as the roof line and the top of the ends. Again, as with the Magor version, the finer detail will be added once we give final approval of these shots. In addition to reviewing the models to ensure that everything is correct, we will be conducting performance testing on the models as well. Video of these tests will be posted online at www.esmc.com and will be available for viewing before the end of the month. Thank you for watching this video and thank you for your interest in our products.